Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to create a paid website. So here you can check we have the services page, we have the get in touch, we have who we are. So these kind of informations we're going to show you in the website, and also we will check if everything is not working, we will also resolve the problem. So now you can check we have the beautiful website with beautiful testimonials and with one girl, and we have these informations with dog. Yeah, so who we are you can check. Just click on this button, who we are. Basically might be once the picture is missing, and there here the some information was founded by Jessica. So you can put whatever your journalist, your status, of course you can write down here, and some of the descriptions part also is there. And whole I meet the founders, so these are the founders. Of course you can put your of course testimonial things. Our team is there, and okay, so yeah, second team members, third member. Also if it's a schedule a meeting something, of course you can schedule from this website. And we have the services. So what kind of services we're going to provide you, whatever you want in the your firm, definitely you can put here. Okay, and here like a pet sitting and minding training coming. So this kind of informations you can put whatever you want. Extra information also of course you can put. Okay, so I will show you how you can put the information related to your firm. So here you can check we have the beautiful website with the beautiful informations, like some FAQ questions is here, one video also you can put the here, so anyone can play easily. Okay, and go above and get in touch button. I think so this button for the contact us page. So here the name is get in touch. So here you can check we have the map, we have the some informations with the field, and here the dog. And these sections are really beautiful and very simple. And also I'm going to show you how you can make this website under 2000 rupees only. Yeah, really this is true. So first of all you need to go to domainregister.com. After going to domainregister.com, you just click on the domain. Yes, and you need to put your information is here in search box. Suppose any, I'm going to pet India something. So whatever your name is required, I mean you want, definitely you can put. Suppose here we have the one domain name is pet India, I have selected, but I'm going to select INR, any currency you can select as per your choice. So I'm going to put pet India again. So I'm going to search again. So you can check we have the one domain which is similar to this. So I just selected the view card, and also I want same things as the hosting also. So like here you can check we have the 99% update affordable hosting. So as a provided by the, this is a cloud hosting you can say. Okay, so basic informations here are the, you can host the one website, but here on the limitations, so you cannot host more than 5 GB. I mean bandwidth is limited. As SSD you have 102 MB, one which means 1 GB around 3 FTP connections, and MySQL SSL certificate. And so these informations is really about the server. And if you want to better than this server, of course you can buy this one hosting, of course is provided by the personal plan. But of course you can check here we have the SSD which is unlimited, same for the bandwidth, and same for the unlimited FTP connection, which is a more difference to this plan. Also you can check here the 10 email IDs you can create, but here you can get unlimited email IDs. So here we have the silver plan. Okay, and if you want to buy this plan, of course is your choice, you can buy. But I'm going to right now select this one, which is the second one for the one website, and I'm going to use again my domain. And let me go to the order page. Okay, we have selected for the 1 year plan. Yes, you can check that external DNS hosting can help the speed of your website and improve ability increase. So you can check here we have the DNS hosting, whatever you want you can put here. Also in this basically domain registers, if you're buying from the domain register, here also have the server from the different locations, so your website will open really fast as compared to any other. Okay, so now let me go to the checkout button. But here you need to put your information. I'm not going to put my information. Okay, so of course you can put your information here and just check out and complete the order. So once you have done this process, so what you will do just go to login page, and you need to put your information. So I have already account the domain registration, so I'm not going to create again. Let me show you how I'm going to here. Just click on the domainregister.com and click again in the login page. Once you click the login page, you have this kind of page after the putting your email ID and password. I have already logged in, so I just land in the main dashboard. So now just click on the services, and also don't forget, whenever you click in the services, also you need to click on the active. So once you click on the active, what you need to do, just scroll work in the website. Let me show you here. Just click on the WordPress. Yes, we have already installed this. I mean, of course, we have already installed this process. So I'm going to show you again. So once you successfully done this, what you need to do, just go in the website. I'm going to again like this one. Go to the dashboard, because I have already logged in. That this is the main reason. Okay. So now what you need to do here. Suppose I'm going to where I'm going to, yes, of course, starter template. Once you click on the starter template, here you need to select as a free, and here search as a paid. So of course we got the same thing. Then what you need to do, just click on the import complete site. Once you clicked on the import then just select the delete previous import site, and I am as a expert something, of course I can put my information, or of course you not creating for yourself, you can select whatever client or yourself. So and here you can escape this process. Yeah, so once you selected this, this will take little bit time as compared to any other website, because this is a lot of, I mean, things is here, like css images and js part, of course, and plugins. So these are the information they importing from the other website and a server, so definitely this will take little bit time. So don't worry about not so much time. Yeah, but take some time. Yeah, I'm going to click on the again the view part, view side. So finally we are here. Okay, so let me scroll down below. Yes, you can check everything is really fine and working properly. Yeah, yes. So might be some things is not working, let me check again, but I have no idea why is this coming two time. Might be I have imported two times. Don't worry, I'm again going to here the import website, delete previously, next, and just wait for the deleting all items from the website. And then after deleting everything, we will import all data which is related to this website only. Yeah, so keep patience. Yeah, yeah, finally this is done. Let me check again working or not. Yeah, finally this is working finally. Okay, so let me scroll down. Yeah, everything is fine, and just click on who we are. Yeah, one picture is missing from there. Let me show you how we can fix this issue also. And here we are the services. Okay, might be services also looking fine. Yes, and just click on the get in touch. I don't think so form is showing here. Let me scroll down here. Yes, form also showing better. So how, but I'm not explaining you how you can customize the form, but I have already created a video, so of course you can watch out from this previous video. Okay, let me show you. Just hit in the YouTube SMTP, um, WordPress real programmer. This is my channel guys, so I'm putting real programmer. So this video you can watch out. Okay, I will also give you in the description area link, so you can watch out from the description area link also. So yeah, no problem. So now again I'm here, so hope so now you understand how this is form will work. I will already explain that video, so of course you know. If you don't know how to create again also, let me know. I will create a separate video for the again next video. I mean, of course, yeah. So suppose if you want to customize the logo, of course you need to put the your company logo and same things for the menu. So how you can do that? Just click on the customize button. After clicking the customize button, you need to select menu. Just wait a few seconds. This is taking little bit time because a lot of files is loading. Yeah, now we are here. Just click on edit button. After the clicking the edit button, you can select the logo, whatever logo you have, like a changed image. Okay, so now suppose any logo you have, I don't have any logo right now, so just search from the any other website like a logo, but I don't think so this is any working logo. I mean, of course not. Okay, leave it. Okay, so this way, suppose I'm going to show you, let me show you this simple process. Yeah, suppose this is a logo. Okay, so just click on the insert, but don't save as a permanent, of course. Just check it this is fine or not as per the your website. Yeah, of course. Retina logo might be this logo. Desktop and mobile. Yes, so this is logo is showing here. I mean in the footer also. I also, no. So in menu you can see. Okay, so now also if you want to change this menu, of course you can change from there only. Yeah, yeah. So you can customize the color and this stuff with something. If you want to increase, of course you can do that from your side only. But yeah, side entity, primary menu, you can check from there only. And side and logo we have already seen that. Yeah, and let me again go back. Yeah, so menu, see here we have the options menu. The creating the primary menu already we have, like a home, who we are, and services and get it touch. Suppose if you want to add any extra like a post, landing page and categories and tag something, of course you can add from your side only. So you need to put a drag and drop. Suppose we have any other pages, just put the page name and click on the add, so your menu will appear here and also in this main website. So and then you need to click on the submit button. So hope so this process will, you can create any menu. Okay, also you can create a sub menu, just drag and drop inside of the menu. Okay, so now widgets. What is widget? Basically, suppose if you want to change something, might be this is control from other website. Yeah, so now you can check, we have the footer builder widgets. Of course you need to put our information which is showing in the footer. Of course you can do that. How? Suppose we have the mail ID, we have a logo, and we have number, and we have the social icons. So you, this way you can create, I mean of course we have the logo. So yeah, this process you can just change your logo, whatever your logo you want. Same things we have widget second. So might be this information is related to different things. I mean of course the email ID and anything. Suppose you want to change your email ID, of course you can put here, and you can just click on the where publish the page. Of course this way you can create, and we have the menu options here again. Okay, so I already showed you how you can change the menu things from header. Also we have the widget 3, and here we have the some information which is related to calling number. Of course you can put here calling number, and here we have the last one which is the social links. Of course you can put the social links which is related to your website. Like suppose of course every user have the different URLs. Of course you need to put here, suppose you have the company page, of course you need to put the company URL here. Same for the every social network. I mean the Twitter, you have Insta, you have Facebook. Of course you have every I mean of course any other you want, so you can select from there and just click on the add social icons. So of course you can easily add as compared to any other website. So this process you can create a website under 2000 rupees. And also if you want to change something from any website, I mean of course you want to change header and footer, of course, as well as you want to change the banner and also some text area, just click on the edit with Elementor, because this website controlled by Elementor plugin. So of course you can easily manage your website as compared to any other CMS. Yeah, we have just click on the edit with Elementor, just wait for a few seconds. Finally this is open. Now what you can do, let me show you here. Just you want to change the banner, of course just click on the middle one. Yes, and just again come to style. Of course you can see we have the pictures here, and if you want to change these pictures from any other picture, of course you can do that from your side. Okay, let me suppose we have any other pictures like a pet. Yeah, we have this kind of informations we got. Yeah, suppose these pictures, any pictures you want, specific pictures you have already, yeah, you can put. Okay, so let me show you any other pictures. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, really. Suppose you want to this one. Yeah, where this got here might be let me update this one. Yeah. So look, we have already updated the pictures. Okay, and you want to change something, this text, of course you can do that from your side. Yeah, just any text you want, you just put here, and a number, suppose whatever number you have, you can easily change like this one. Suppose you have any other number like this one, of course you can put this one. And suppose you want to change also this description area. Yeah, here you can check here with descriptions area and just put whatever descriptions you need. Yeah, just scroll down, and suppose we have already background image. Yeah, same things you need to click on the middleware. Of course you can change any other picture. So we have don't any given the pictures, we have selected as the colors. Of course this is the main reason to gray color we getting in the background. Yeah, same things for here one dog and description and title something, and you can easily change as compared to any other website. Here I have already told you, and just click on the edit button. Now we have the link here for the no more options. So of course you can put any other links here, and just scroll down again, same things I already explained you. Yeah, for the click in the middle where you can I mean of course you can easily change the any color, any things from you can easily, suppose we have the Google Play Store, any applications, App Store, so you can easily also edit. Just give the link of course for the Play Store, but app, or same for the App Store button. Also you want to change this banner, of course you can change from your side only. Yeah, for review things and any other sections you want to add, of course you can add from your side only. Yeah, just click on the middleware again and click on the blocks. Yeah, might be this is taking a little bit time because of some issue from my side or internet side, I think so. Yeah, let me